Is there anything more frustrating than a frozen screen while using your iPad? Whether it's during an important call, a game, or trying to send a message, a frozen screen disrupts your daily routine. Don't fret, this video offers several simple solutions to get your device running smoothly again. From a basic restore to quick settings tweaks, keep watching to discover how to bring your iPad back to life. Let's get started. There are several possible reasons why your iPad is frozen and doesn't respond to touch. Software glitch, incompatible system, too many applications, and limited iPad storage. Having known the possible reasons why an iPad is frozen, you can check the following methods to fix a frozen iPad and make it run normally. Often your iPad screen freezing is due to a software crash. Your iPad is still powered on and running in the background. If your iPad experiences a software crash, a hard reset might temporarily resolve the issue. Press and hold the power button and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears in the center on the screen. You may need to hold both buttons for 25–30 seconds. Quite a few people know about DFU Mode on iPad. It's a highly detailed recovery method that allows you to restore your device from any state and can fix many deep-seated software problems. Connect your iPad to your computer and launch Finder or iTunes. Enter DFU Mode by pressing the corresponding key sequence according to your iPad model. Once in a DFU mode, Finder or iTunes will detect the device is in recovery mode and execute the firmware restore. However, DFU Mode will erase all data on your iPad. Sometimes an iPad freezing or crashing can prevent you from accessing the system. Therefore, the best way to resolve this issue is to use AnyFix, iOS system recovery software. It professionally checks iPadOS in seconds and then provides a simple method to fix the iPad's freezing problem. Here are the steps to fix iPad freeze with AnyFix. First, run AnyFix on your computer and then connect your iPad with AnyFix using a USB cable. After that, select the System Repair option. Second, choose Screen Stuck and then click the Start Now button. Third, select Standard Repair from the three modes offered by AnyFix and then click the Standard Repair button. Fourth, follow the instructions to download the firmware for iPad System Repair. Wait for a moment for AnyFix to complete its repair. After AnyFix has finished repairing the system, you can power on your iPad and check the system boot. The standard repair won't cause data loss, so you can just use it as you've done before. Sometimes certain apps can cause system instability. To identify and remove any troublesome apps, follow these steps. Think about any apps you've recently downloaded or updated. This might be apps causing the problem. Press and hold the app icon on your iPad's home screen until it starts to wiggle. Type the minus sign on the app you wish to delete. Tap Delete to confirm your action. After deleting the application, restart your iPad and see if it turns better. If you're unsure which app is causing the problem, look for apps that frequently crash. Freeing up a space can often resolve freezing issues, especially when your storage is full. Here is how to do that. Go to Settings, then hit to General, click on iPad Storage, and check for prompts to free up space. Uninstall infrequently used apps or optimize photo storage and delete the apps that take up the most space. Follow the prompts to clean up each app and increase available storage. Last but not the least, if you tried all the methods and your iPad screen is still dark, you should try a system upgrade. Connect the iPad charger to the iPad and then attach it to the computer. Open iTunes right on your PC and next on the iPad, long press and hold the home button and sleep-wake buttons simultaneously. Continue to hold both buttons even if you see the Apple logo appear. When you see the option to restore or update on the screen, tap on Update option. Once you click on Update, iTunes reinstalls iOS without erasing data. Finally, after a few minutes, the device will restart and you are good to go. Well, that's all for today. While it's frustrating when your iPad screen is frozen, you can fix it using AnyFix utility. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.